Welcome my YouTube channel Math Tutorial. Today solve previous paper 2019 ICSE board. ICSE mathematics paper has two parts, part A and part B. Part A has 4 questions, has no option. Part B has 7 questions. Total 4 into 10 40 and 4 into choose for any 4 question, 4 into 10 40, total 80 marks. So today solve 2019 question paper. First question given, solve the following inequation and write down the solution set. We know that it has two parts. This inequation has two parts. First part, 11x minus 4 less than 15x plus 4. Follow x belongs to w. W is the whole number. Starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, dot, 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 dot. The first part given 11x minus 4 less than 15x plus 4. 11x minus 15x less than 4 plus 4. 11, this is implies that minus 4x less than 8. That means x minus x less than 2. X greater than minus 2, because multiplying both sides minus, so inequality change. First part given x greater than minus 2. Second part, give 15x plus 4 less equal to 13x plus 14. 15x minus 13x less equal to 14 minus 4. 2x less equal to 10, x less equal to 5. So x less equal to 5 greater than minus 2. This is the right, the solution set. So solution set equal to minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry, follow that x is the whole number. So minus 1 are cancelled. This is the solution set of the equation. Represented the solution on real line. This is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is minus 1, this is minus 2. So solution set is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So follow the next question. So next question from statistics. First, in a class of 14 students, marks obtained by the students in a class test of out of 10 numbers are given by marks number of students. Find the median and mode. Answer. First we construct a frequency table. Marks, number of students and cumulative frequency. Marks 1, number of students 1. Marks 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Number of students 1, 2, 3, 3, 6, 10, 5, 4, 5, 4, 3, 3. Cumulative frequency 1, 3, 6, 9, 15, 25, 30, 34, 37 and 40. So n equal to 40. This is the even number. This is even number. So for median, formula for median equal to n by 2th observation plus n by 2 plus 1th observation by 2. N by 2th observation, n means 40 40 by 2, 2th observation, plus 40 by 2 plus 1th observation by 2. 20th observation plus 21st observation by 2. We follow the 20th observation this. That's mean 6. 6 plus 6 by 2 means 6. This is the median of the. Since this is median of the. This is the median. Mod highest frequency is 10. So mod is 6. Which we know that mod is the highest frequency. So highest frequency or the highest number of students 10. Obtain 6 marks out of 10. So mod is 6. Number of students is, so mod is 6. Okay. Next question, question number 2a. Using the factor theorem, show that x minus 2 is a factor of this polynomial and factor is the polynomial. We know that the factors theorem states that if x minus a is the factor of the polynomial fx, show f of a equal to 0. So by factors theorem, by factorized theorem, x minus 2 is the factor. So f of 2 equal to 0. We show that, we prove that f of 2 equal to 0, then x minus 2 is the factor. So therefore x cube plus x square minus 4x minus 4 equal to, x means 2, 2 cube plus 2 square minus 4 into 2 minus 4, 2 cube 8, 4 minus 8 minus 4 equal to 0. So x minus 2 is the factor of the polynomial x cube plus x square minus 4x minus 4. Second part, factorize the polynomial. So this is the 3 degree polynomial. So factor write 3 times. So x square, that's mean x cube minus 2x square given 1x square. So plus x plus 3x. 3x means plus 3x square. So this is the x square minus 6x given has minus 4x. So plus 2, that plus 2x minus 4. Match this. So x minus 2, x square plus 3x plus 2. First factor x minus 2, 7. So x minus 2, this is the 2 degree polynomial. So factor is the middle term factor. So x square plus 2x plus x plus 2. That's mean x minus 2 into x common, x plus 2 plus 1, x plus 2. That's mean x minus 2, x plus 2 and x plus 1. So 3 degree polynomial has 3 factors. This is the solution of this question. Next, question number B, coming from trigonometry, prove that cosec theta minus sin theta, sec theta minus cosec theta, tan theta plus cot theta equal to 1. Answer: sec theta minus sin theta into sec theta minus cos theta tan theta plus cot theta. Cosec theta minus sin theta. Cosec theta means 1 by sin theta minus sin theta, because cosec theta reciprocal of sin theta. Sec theta reciprocal of cos theta. Tan theta means sin theta by cos theta. And cot theta means cos theta by sin theta. Okay. That means sin theta, this equal to 1 minus sin square theta into cos theta, this means 1 minus cos square theta into sin theta into cos theta. Sin square theta plus cos square theta. 1 minus cos square theta means 1 minus sin square theta cos square theta by sin theta into 1 minus cos square means sin square theta by cos theta, because sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. That's mean 1 by sin theta into cos of theta. Cos theta cancel, sin theta, this sin theta, cos theta into cos theta. That's mean 1. This is the solution of this question. Very easy math from trigonometry. Next question from AP and GP. In an AP, the fourth and the sixth term are 8 and 14 respectively. Find the first term, common difference and sum of the first 20 terms. So given T4 equal to 6, T14 equal to T8 equal to 14. Let an AP first term equal to A and common difference equal to D. So we know the formula. Tn equal to A into n minus 1 into D. This is the nth formula on AP. Given T4, so T4 equal to A into 4 minus 6 term. 6 term are AP, the fourth and sixth term are 4 and 6 term are 14. So T4 equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. This means A plus 3D. Okay. And T6 A plus 5D. Given A plus 3D equal to 4, and this equal to 4th term and 6th term are 8 and 14. This is the 8. So this is the 8 and 40. So subtraction from T6 minus T4. T6 means A plus 5D minus A minus 3D equal to 14 minus 8. So A cancel, so 2D equal to 6, or D equal to 3. D equal to 3, put the T4. Therefore, T4 A plus 3 into D. D means 3 equal to 8. A equal to minus 1. So the first term are minus 1, common difference is 3. Next, find sum. Sum of S20 equal to formula n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. This is the sum of S20. Sn, n means 20 by 2, 2 into A minus 1 plus n means 19, D means 3. So 20 by 2 means 10, this equal to minus 2 plus 57. So 10 into 55. So 550. This is the sum of the AP. This is the clear solution of the AP. This video has solution part A, ICSE 2019. Part B, solution in the next video. Next question from trigonometric and combination of trigonometric and matrix. So solution is sin A minus cos A sin A cos A sin A minus sin A cos A. We know that any scalar multiply the matrix element, every matrix element. So this given sin square A minus sin A into cos of A, sin A into cos of A, sin square A. Next cos square A, cos A sin A minus sin A into cos A, that's mean cos square A. Add up two matrix, we know that every corresponding element are adding, that's means sin square A that's mean the sin square A plus cos square A, this term same term, so this is the 0, this is the same term, this is the 0, this is the sin square A plus cos square A. That means sin square A plus cos square A 1. This is 1 0 0 1. This is the identity matrix. Very easy math from matrix and trigonometry. Next question from straight line. Given the question, M and N are the 2 points on the x-axis and y-axis. This is the x-axis and y-axis. X-axis point M, y-axis is N. 2 points x-axis and y-axis respectively P3, 2 divides the line segment MN. So this is the join the line M and N. So this P is the point 3, 2 are given. This is the point P. Okay. This is the point P. 3 divides the line segment Mn in the ratio 2:3. 2:3. 2:3. Okay. Find the coordinate of M and N and slope the line. So a point lies on the x-axis. So this coordinate A, 0. This is the 0, B, because x-axis has y equal to 0 and y-axis has y-axis x equal to 0. We know the formula x equal to mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n and y equal to my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. Okay. mx2, x and y, so p is the divided part, so 3 equal to mx2 m is to n, m is to m into x2 is the mx2, this a plus n x1, n means 2, x1 means 0, divided by m plus n, 3 plus 2. So 2 3 ka 5 5 3, 3 equal to 3a plus 5. So 15 equal to 3a. That means a equal to 5. A equal to 5. Next, this is y equal to this a, y equal to, that means 2 equal to my2. M means 3, y2 means x2a, y2 means 0 plus 2 into 2 into b divided by m plus n, 3 plus 2. That's mean 2 equal to 2b by 5. That's mean 10 equal to twice b. This equal to b equal to 5. So coordinate are m coordinate. So answer m coordinate a comma 0, 5 comma 0, n coordinate 0 comma 5. Okay. Next, the coordinate of m and n. Next, question number 2, slope of the line. Slope of the line. We know that the slope of the line has 2 points, x2 minus x1 by y2 minus y1. Slope of 2 points. Slope of the line given 2 points formula, x2 minus x1 by y2 minus y1. So slope x2 minus x1. x2 means 0 minus x1 means 5 divided by y2 means 5 minus 0. That's mean minus 5 by 5. That's mean minus 1. So slope is minus 1. Therefore slope equal to minus 1. This is the required answer of this question. This question from mensuration. Given a solid sphere of radius 6 cm and a solid sphere of radius 6 cm made into a solid cylinder. मतलब एक sphere reduced to a cylinder. Okay, sphere reduced to a cylinder. A sphere of radius 6 cm. Okay, sphere of radius 6 cm reduced to a cylinder. A sphere reduced to a cylinder. So volume V, volume of the sphere, volume equal to, we know the formula 4 by 3 pi r cube unit cube. 4 by 3 pi r cube. R cube means 6 cube. The given. Height, given the height of the cylinder. Height of the cylinder is, we know the radius. Find the radius of the cylinder. Volume of the sphere and volume of the cylinder. Volume of the cylinder, we know the formula 1 by 3 pi r square h. 1 by 3. Okay. Volume of the cylinder, volume of the cylinder pi r square h. Okay. According to problem, given that Vs equal to Vc. Vs equal to Vc. Vc means 4 by 3 pi r cube means 6 cube equal to Vc means pi r square. R square means know that, find. H means 32. So this means pi cancel. So r square equal to 4 by 3 into 6 cube divided by 32. 4, 8, 6 cube means 6 into 6 by 3 into 8. 3 2 का 2 2 का 4. So 36 by 4. So implies r square equal to root over 36 by 4. So that's mean 6 by 2, the 3. So this equal to the radius of the cylinder. Radius of the cylinder is 3. This is, find the radius of the cylinder. Second, curved surface area. Second, curved surface area. We know the formula curved surface area. Curved surface area. Curved surface area. So given next curved surface area. R equal to 3 radius of the cylinder. Curved surface area. Curved surface area. Curved surface area 2 pi r h. 2 pi means 22 by 7 into r means 3, h means 32. So centimeter square, this is the area. So centimeter, multiply this and answer is 35995 into 2 centimeters square. This is the curved surface area. This question from mensuration. Mensuration is a very important topic for class 10. 2-3 questions are available of the question paper. Minimum 2 questions are available in the question paper. So solve easy method. This question from ratio and proportion. Question number 4. The following numbers, these are in proportion, find the continuous proportion. Continuous proportion. Following these numbers are proportion. We know that 4 numbers A, B, C, D are proportion if A by B equal to C by D. This is, we know that ratio and proportion property. So given answer, follow this answer. K plus 3 by K plus 2 equal to 3K minus 7 by 2K minus 3. Apply this property. So multiply K plus 3 into 2K minus 3 equal to 3K minus 7 into K plus 2. 2K is 2K square minus 3K plus 6K minus 9 equal to 3K square plus 6K minus 7K plus 40. Just multiply this factor. 2K square minus 3K plus 1 means 3K minus 9. 3K square minus K plus 14 equal 14. So all term 3K square plus K plus 14 equal to 0. Sorry, plus and this equal to minus. So next 2K square minus 3K square minus 3K square. 3K plus K means 4K minus 23 equal to 0. So K square minus 4K plus 23 equal to 0. Okay. Minus 5. Oh, sorry. This is the minus. This is minus. That means plus. That means 5. This is the quadratic equation. So quadratic equation. Factor is the middle term factor. K minus 5K plus K plus 5 equal to 0. Common from K. K means K minus 5 plus 1. Okay. This is 4K plus 5. Just a small minus 5. 2K square minus 9 plus 40. This reduced to plus 5. Oh sorry, this is the minus 5 because multiplication of this term. This is the minus 5. So K minus 5. That's mean K plus 1 and K minus 5 equal to 0. Therefore K equal to minus 1 or K equal to 5. This is the final answer. This question from ratio and proportion. Solve the quadratic equation x square minus 4x plus 8. So this is does not apply the middle term factor. Apply the Siddharacharya formula. We know that x square plus bx plus c equal to 0 is the quadratic equation. Has two roots, minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2ic. Compare this formula: a equal to 1, b equal to minus 4 and c equal to 8. So x equal to minus b plus 4 plus minus b square minus 4ac by 2ic. 4 plus minus root over 16 minus 4ac minus 32 divided by 2 minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac x square minus 8. This is minus 8. That's mean minus 8. That plus. The 4 plus minus 6 3 का 8 48 by 2. Root 48 means 6.928. 4 plus minus 6.928 divided by 2. 6.982 6.928 that's mean 8. So x1 equal to 4 plus 6.928 by 2, x2 equal to 4 minus 6.928 by 2. So therefore x1 equal to, by easy calculation, 10.928 by 2. That's when final answer is given 5.6464. x2 equal to minus 1.46. So this is a two answer. Find the square root. This is the coming from quadratic equation solved by Siddharacharya formula. So complete the session part A, previous paper 2019. So part B solve next video. Thank you for watching.